video.
G'day and welcome to chapter 39 of my RX323 resto videos. Seeing that video footage was a little bit scary. That video footage was from back in 2017, over 6 years ago, 38 videos ago and over 16,000 views. So let's have a little bit of a catch up and see what's happened since then. So from the beginning through to where I'm at now, here's a little montage.
We are going to be doing...
We're going for a drive in the Mazda. And Delaney's just found an exciting new feature on this old car. What is it, Delaney?
It's a window winder.
So just a little recap since the last video. So I did all that work on the car. I did redid the exhaust system, had the hub rings fitted the rear seat belts, raised the car up, redid the rear suspension and front suspension as well. I've also taken it through a wheel alignment. I took the car back for a second inspection and he ticked off all the seat belts, the suspension, the hub rings. He did another brake test on the car and another emissions test on the car. But one thing he did pick on it again was the exhaust was too close over the rear axle. So I had to redo just over the rear axle again, which was a bit of a pain in the frickle. But anyhow, exhaust system 4.0 is done and it's back on the car. Took it back for that final inspection. He just had to double check that exhaust clearance, which he said was all good. I got my engineer certificate, so Had the engineer certificate, got a roadworthy done with them, and then off down to our local registration department and got the car registered with my club permit, which is now on a modified plate, not a historic plate. So that's it now, the car's basically all done. I've thoroughly enjoyed doing this build. I've had a lot of fun, I've learnt a lot, I've learned a lot of new skills, I've had a lot of help from the time. Big shout out goes to Simon at ProMaz, helping me out with the engine and some of the Microtech information as well. The people at Microtech were also fabulous to deal with. I had some issues there and they were really good support with the car. Probably have to thank my wife as well, because she let me do all this. And of course, my daughter helped me out in the next lot of videos. So now it's time to enjoy the car. So I hope you enjoy this part of the video. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I really appreciate all the comments that I've had and all the nice feedback. I haven't had one negative comment about the car, so thank you. It's been an absolute joy to bring this to you. I hope you, the reason why I did bring it to you, because I just wanted someone else to see if they can learn like I did as well. So I hope you enjoyed it, and there are plans ahead afoot to do some other things with the car. So once they do come up, I'll bring them to you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.